Hey, how are you? Welcome back. What's that? Merry Christmas to you too. We just finished having our holiday party. We were jamming. Oh my goodness. Raising the roof. Oh yeah, this year I dressed up as Santa. Yeah. Every now and then we try to do something a little bit different, you know. You gotta keep life interesting, right? You want a cookie? We had a tray all filled with all types of holiday cookies. This eggnog that Mary makes, it's to die for. I don't know what she put in that, but wow. The room is spinning just a little. Oh, no. You're fine, sir. No problem. Let me get into my gloves right now. Oh yeah, these gloves? No, these are these my driving gloves? That's all right. No worries. These will work out just fine. All right. Now, did you brush your teeth? You did. Okay, let's take a look. Open your mouth. And let's brush them up. No, I know. This is my beard brush. I'm just messing with you. Stop. Everyone out there in the lobby, we've got a live one in here. Continue enjoying the festivities. Yeah. No, I know. We probably should have canceled this appointment, mixed right into the middle of our holiday Christmas party, but you know what? I needed the break anyway. Over there, we're getting wild over there. Too much eggnog. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see. Let's take a look in that mouth of yours right now. Say, ah. Ooh, what is that? Let's take a deeper look in there. Time to pull out my handy dandy tools. Okay, let's look at that a little bit deeper. Once again, open out wide. Ah. Okay. Let's take a look. What is that? How does that feel? Hold up a second. Whoa. Yeah. Blood is coming right out of that. Look at that. Yeah. That's definitely infected right there. Those gums right along the gum line right there. How much flossing are you doing? Not enough, huh? Yeah, too many holiday parties. I got you. Well, okay. Let me see what we can do there. There we are. Now, do me a favor once again. Open up real wide. All back, head back. Okay. Ooh, that hurts, huh? Sensitive? Hold on. How about right there? Oh.
Well,
it looks like you have a cavity. And your gums are infected. Probably going to have to give you some sort of antibiotic on that. And what would you like to do about the cavity? You want to get it fixed? Now? Well, okay. Yeah, we could do that right now. All right, well, let's get prepared. All right. Gonna have to shoot you out with a little. Let me get my needle for a moment. Oh yeah, we got a live one back there. Oh yes, no problem, everybody, no problem at all. You guys enjoying yourselves? Great. Loving every minute of it. No problem at all. All right, I'll be right back with you guys, okay? Oh, they are wild out there, absolutely wild. Okay. All right. All right. Open up wide. Okay. And I'm going to do another one over here. And 3 for good luck. All right. Can I interest you in a cookie? No. Cookie's probably what got you in this position right now. Well, you hear them jams up there, huh? Have a holly jolly Christmas, huh? All right. Numbing in yet? Good. All right. Let's get to working. Oh, yeah. All right. Don't be afraid. No one's ever died from a little drill. Yet. All right. Open up wide. Okay. Just sit back and relax. Okay. All right. How's that feel? Okay, good. Let's see. Let me test that out a little bit and see. All right. Back that in there. Don't you love Christmas? Have yourself a very Merry Christmas. Oh man, have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh yes it is. Listen, that looks like it is doing exceedingly well. How's that feel? All right, let me get you to bite down on something so we can make sure it's flush. Man, I don't have anything. I'm gonna have to improvise a little here. Go ahead and bite down on that. Okay, good. How's that feel? All right. You want to test it out on a cookie? One for you, one for me. Ready? On 3. These cookies are delicious, huh? Oh, you thought so too. All right, well, pleasure having you once again here at Dr. Pepper's Dentistry. I hope you have a great holiday season. Merry Christmas to you and a happy new year.